Hey, fourth grade, what time is it? Yep, that's right. It's art time. Hi, guys. Mr. Michael again here with another 5-minute demo for you. This week, what we're going to do is it's a project some of us got to do, some of us didn't, but it's always a fun one. And we can always change it up a little bit to make it a little bit different. But what I'm going to want you to do today is something we call a name design. Are you ready? You look like you're ready. Let me see. You back there. Oh, yep, you're ready. Okay, to the artboard. Okay, so here's my name design. So what you're going to do is you're going to make block letters or bubble letters, and then you're going to go back and you're going to change those things into some of your favorite things or the things that you like. All right, so here's one that I came up with today. And I used my first name. Maybe if you want to use your initials or your middle name or your last name or a nickname you go by, whatever's fine. But the main part is you got to use kind of blocky letters or bubble letters. Regular letters, just like done with a pencil, are not going to work. All right, they're too skinny. If you do, like, there's a little more to these letters here, but they're still real skinny. That might work for you if you're drawing something that has to be like real skinny, all right? But all your letters, it's probably not going to work so well, so be careful. So again, block letters, where you've got more kind of like some angles, some points, some corners, or kind of more rounded bubble letters. Those are going to work what's best for, or those are going to be what works best for you. There we go. All right, so let's look at my example again. Now, I started off with all my letters looking like this, and that's how you should start first. Don't try to make it look like the thing to start off with. You do that, you're going to be there all day, and then other stuff might not work. So what you want to do first, everything. Start with your block or bubble letters first, just looking plain like this, all right? And sometimes what happens is people will make the letters too big, and then say, for example, I made my letters too big and I went C-A-R-L-O, and I ran out of space for my S. A good way to make sure that doesn't happen is write your first letter of your first name on the left-hand side, write the last letter of your first name over, or the last letter of your name over here, and then add your letters in the middle. That way, you're not all crammed into the end there, or you have a letter hanging off there. But anyway, back to my final example. So you'll see, I took my C and I changed it into, what do you think that looks like? Yep, it's the Colorado flag. Then I changed the A into a piece of, yummy pizza. And then like for the bottom part of the A, you see where I drew like where there's like a bite taken out of it. The R is the symbol of one of my favorite superheroes. I bet you can figure it out because he's the sidekick of my favorite superhero. Yep, that's right. That's Robin's symbol. And then the L, change it into a golf club because I like to play golf. And then the O was perfectly changed into a golf ball. Kind of big, but I wanted you to be able to see what it was, all right? But it still works. So the golf club and the golf ball, and then the S for the Superman symbol. So those are all things that I like. I love Colorado. I wouldn't want to live anywhere else. Delicious pizza. Robin is one of my favorite superheroes. I love playing golf. And of course, Superman and superheroes in general are one of my favorite things. So what are you going to come up with? Are you going to use your name? What you could also do too is come up with a word and then change the letters to look like something related to that word. Maybe you come up with the word tiger, and maybe one of the letters looks like a tiger. Another one looks like something that might be where it lives or something like that. Or maybe you change the whole word to look like a tiger or something. All right? Don't have to be just stuck to a name, but I would say try the name first. What do you think? Turned out pretty cool, right? All right, guys, this is one of those projects that I cannot stress enough. Draw lightly first. because like I showed you, you're going to start off with the block or bubble letters, but then you're going to have to make a lot of adjustments and stuff. And if you draw too hard, you're going to get those lines that you can't erase real easy. Then it's going to be kind of hard to see. All right. And then once you've got everything penciled in, then go to your markers, outline, and then add your color. All right. Hope yours turns out really cool. Guys, I would love to see them. So please remember, send me some pictures. Remember, my email is at the end of this video. My friends, I hope you had fun with that one. I really love that one. I think I'm going to come up with something else here in just a few, because I'm going to try it again. I think I'm going to try with like a different word or something. We'll see how it turns out. All right, my friends, I miss you. You take care. And until we meet again, adios, amigos.